There she goes. I think your tutu, I made it too long. I need to cut it. It's too long. Mickey Mouse cup. Ooh, you pick up the mouse, Carlos? Good job, thank you. When are we going to get your costume, huh?
He's a costume. I'm a costume. He's not a costume.
She's a costume, too. Thank you. You going to give that to me? Oh, no. Let's put on your hat, okay? Let's put on your hat really quick. Let's see. Yay! Oh. You just want to leave it on, will you?
You do want this, Maria?
Thank you.
No, it's for my stuffed thing.
But it's Minnie Mouse.
Thing.
Oh, yeah, it's a Minnie Mouse, yeah.